Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this unboxing is from Mary's Diamonds. They did contact me and asked if I wanted to review one of their new collection, and I'm like, sure. I actually have just unboxed not that long ago another diamond painting from Mary's Diamonds. I admit I haven't started it yet, even though I have kitted it up. So yeah, it came in this garbage bag kind of covering, and it looks like there's another plastic around it, so... Okay. To make sure it gets to you in dry. Gets to you dry? I don't know. That's why there's another plastic around it. It does look like the box did get smushed at the middle here, but that's probably shipping. This is a much thicker box than I normally, when I got the first Mary's Diamonds. They do ship from China, so there is that. And this is much bigger than I normally go, so... But when they asked me, so what was interesting is when they asked me if I wanted to review one of their new items, the ribbon is in front of the plastic. Okay, I thought it was inside. So the ribbon is pink and it says Mary's Diamonds on it. So when they asked me if I wanted to review some, they actually just gave me a bunch of pictures, and then they were like, these are the ones we're contemplating putting in the collection. Choose which one's your favorite, and then choose your top 15 from the rest, because they gave a lot of pictures and not all of them made it to the final collection. So it was kind of interesting. I felt like I was part of something. I don't know if my vote did anything, but I felt like I was part of something. So, okay, so this toolkit is much different than the last time I ordered from Mary's Diamonds. This has gold tweezers, this bigger boat. This is actually very similar to the diamond painting kit that I got from AZQSD on AliExpress, because they also had the gold tweezers. So I'm wondering if that's their manufacturer, maybe, I don't know, of the kit. But yeah, it has this bigger boat, which I really like this bigger boat. And 2 plates of wax, the skinny 4-placer and the 9-placer or the 10-placer. The wax is actually very, very opaque, so I don't know if it's really true, but people are saying that the less clear it is, the better. I just use wax, and if it's not good, I just go on to another piece of wax. And the drills, if you saw my last Mary's Diamonds, they're in the baggies. So this is much better than the last one I got, where they were in individual bags, not even stuck together, and I mean not stuck together as in like the DMCs. Sometimes you had 4 or 5 bags that were like the same DMC, but they were separated. And I got rounds this time, because the rounds, it does not seem like they do ABs for the rounds. I mean, they're squares, but they do ABs for the rounds. So I wanted the thing with the ABs. And I figure this is going to be much bigger than I'm going to normally do. So when I chose the image, I had no idea what size it was, because it was prior to them even putting it on their website. But yeah. Here is the image I chose. It's this cheetah. I'm gonna go for cheetah. It's this cheetah, and that is maybe the extent that my camera will go up without me getting my stool, because I'm too short. So yeah, it's getting most of it. Here's the cheetah. So if I put it this way, you'll see the whole thing here. But yeah, it's this cheetah with this really, really colorful background. So according to Mary's Diamonds website, which I have up, this should be a 45 by 70. And let me move you down, because the camera is so high up. I'm not used to it being that high, and my voice was probably a lot less loud because the camera was so much higher. So this is a 45 by 70, and it's called, what do they call it? Jungle Cat, and it's by Tengu Arts. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but Tengu Arts. And it's currently on their site for $49.90. I think that's dollars, US dollars. So yeah, I'm gonna move it this way. So let's see. There are, my table moved. Oh, sorry. So there are 47 colors in this. Woo, there's a lot of colors, lots of colors. And it looks like there are 4 ABs in here. So yeah, a lot of colors here. So let's look at the drill field. Oh wait, let's see. The legend is a mixture of letters, symbols. Yeah, letters and symbols. I don't really see any numbers. There's a G, is there a 9? No. All right. So yeah, let's look at the drill field here. So they do have guide circles, but they're very, very, very faint. Like they're very faint. So I don't think that's going to have a problem. So I don't even know if you could tell that there are guide circles on screen because they're very, very faint. And that's the way it should be. Who wants really black circles on their diamond painting? So yeah, I don't see any, I don't think there'll be any issues with this, but I really love the colors on this. And it looks like there is going to be color blocking, so I'm not going to go crazy on the confetti, because sometimes when you have 47 colors, you go crazy in the confetti, but it does, I mean, it's not like I'm going to be able to multi-place like crazy, but it's not also like obscene how much confetti there is. So yeah, I thought this was pretty. In case you don't know, their canvas is this more, I don't know what this canvas is. I've seen, okay, so apparently I must have slow mail because I've already seen a couple unboxings of this. Of the Mary's Diamonds new collection, and I didn't get mine that quickly. And plus I record in the weekend, so I'm recording this the Thursday before it's getting posted. It should get posted the following Tuesday. But yeah, and I don't know what kind of canvas this is. It kind of reminds me of Tengu Arts, but it's a nice softer canvas, and the drill field is super clear. I'm very happy with that. It does say Mary's Diamonds. I think they must have decided not to do that. They used to have like Mary's Diamonds. I think the previous one had Mary's Diamonds, like the word Mary's Diamonds, and then there was like a slogan. I forgot what the slogan was, and it was all around the border, but I think they decided not to do that anymore. I don't know what the Scan Me will do. But yeah, it does look like, no, they don't have the name of the artist or the canvas on there. They do have their social media there, and they do have a how good is your experience, and there's already a tick mark for in the big happy face. So I think they don't want you to be in the sad faces. But if you saw my kitting up for my last Mary's Diamonds, which was the Lucky Cat, they did give me drills that were 2 different colors, like the same DMC that were 2 different shades. So I did contact them and they did send me the drills. Unfortunately, they sent me round drills instead of the square drills that my painting was. So they told me they're going to send me the replacement square drills. So they will send you drills. So they do have that protection or something. So they will send you drills. So if you don't have everything, that's a reassurance. Now, sometimes I really like the diamond paintings that come in these baggies, but they do make showing the drills on camera much more difficult. And normally I wouldn't be showing you all the drills because I have more than one diamond painting to show you, but since I only have this one diamond painting, and they did send me this for review. Okay, so they're not in order, in case you want to know. And there's no DMC other than, it just says this one is 27, this 41, 30, you know, so 6, so, oh no, wait, that's 9. So kitting this up, you will need the legend right next to you. Well, or you could work directly from these bags. I will kit this up. So yeah, here are some of the colors. I'm trying to find the ABs. I know there's supposed to be 4. Nope. But there are some really bright colors. I don't know if you've noticed that I really do like the diamond paintings with the bright colors. These are nice, really thick bags. So this one's like short. These are nice, thick bags. So I'm gonna keep these bags for my kitting downs because I just use my bags over and over. So, nope, I still haven't found my ABs. I am going to just kit this up. I'm not going to do inventory. So since I did get this for review, I will kit this up. My plan is that I'm going to kit this up for the Friday's video. So Friday's video should be the kitting up of this. Also, look, here's one AB. It's in this green color here. And if you're new to diamond painting and don't know what AB is, it stands for Aurora Borealis, and the drills have this like coating on them that kind of give them a more like iridescent look. So they kind of do this like, you know, like it reflects like a different the colors around it. So yeah, nope. Oop, I see another one. Here's the other AB. It looks like it's a pink one here. And then some, ooh, this is a nice color. Lots of colors in this. Ooh, here's another green AB. I like that. And then black. Ooh, this must be the last AB. It looks like a beige color AB here. And then, see, if these were in order, I'd just be like, oh, I don't want to take them out of order, but I'm just going to kit this up and right away so I don't even have to put this away. So yeah, there are the colors here, and no, unlike some of my other unboxings, you're not going to see the finish at the end of this video. This is way bigger than I normally go. So this might take me a couple weeks. Just letting it out there. It's going to take me a couple weeks or a month. Because this, like I said, this is much bigger. Oh, I never measured it. Let's see. Let's measure this. They said it was supposed to be a 45 by 70. And is it a 45 by 70? We'll see. So it is 69.5 by, yeah, that's 45. So yep, pretty much 45 by 70. So yeah, here is this diamond painting jungle cat by Tengu Arts by Mary's Diamonds. So I will be kitting this up soon. This will be my kit up. Well, assuming everything goes to plan, this will be the kit up that's going to be on Friday. I'm planning for this to be posted on Tuesday. So maybe I shouldn't be saying this in case my plans change, but that's my plan. And if this is not posted on Tuesday, then things happen. But yeah, so thank you again to Mary's Diamonds for sending me this item for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!